Welcome back to my channel, featuring
Faseeha. I like something nice and glam, like I'm about to go out.
Go out where?
Somewhere.
Easy makeup. This is basically like a bathroom thing, and I just got these acrylic makeup holders. So I just placed my makeup in here, and it's honestly so convenient. Do Huda Beauty, an Urban Decay All Nighter.
Oh, they have a...
And then just dot it on her face.
Why do you need primer?
Because for some people it helps have the makeup, like, I don't know, it primes it. So it doesn't go into the pores of the skin. You know how with paint primer?
Honey, I don't want the things to be going in my skin. Yeah.
When are you gonna start like beating your face? Look over here towards this wall.
Probably next year.
Oh hell, you ain't doing makeup next year. You got me. One tip, sisters, ear and bring it down. And a lot of sisters be just doing this. Now sometimes if the color's off, bring it down to the chest. Bring it down, okay? Alright, and another tip. I don't like putting most of the foundation under the eye because we're gonna put under eye concealer, and you don't want too much product under there because then we're gonna do some Tarte. Oh, look at how cute my nails look. So then I'm gonna do Laura Mercier translucent powder.
I've heard a lot of...
See, Beverly Hill, I get the cream contour, and I really love this shade. And I blend it with the Sephora 56 foundation brush. I always go in circular motions.
Yeah, I can see it.
Look over there a little. KKW.
Kim Kardashian West.
Contour as Makeup Forever. It's contouring blush. Literally love this stuff. Brush. I don't know where I got it from. Then I like to get the opposite end of that, and I like to mix it with this and this for highlight.
Ooh.
Mixing it for you. And then I also like to do right over here, right over here. Morphe brush. It is the number R34. Anastasia brow pomade in the color Ebony. We're gonna go in with the Kiko lipstick and the shade Emotion. Adora in the shade Demore. Morphe setting spray. Bougie lashes. You can wear them plenty of times, and they get
so
better.
Cute.
They get better.
Yeah, they're really, really nice. I've seen the quality. They're 3D
mink lashes.
Mink lashes.
Alright, open your eyes. Open your eyes fully.
No, I literally can't.
Open. Eyes so watery. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
And subscribe and like.
Oh.
And my eye is getting watery.